We Talk Football SA, Bafana 0, Mexico 2. Hey, sisemzila lifestyle lano siswendawo. Siswendawo uthini sidliwa kanjani?
Saying what I'm saying is Siluze within 10 minutes. That was like a goal.
Yeah.
1-0. But however, we're so proud of our boys going there and just reaching out and yeah, so much fun. And let's see what happens on the next game. But let's have fun.
Yeah. No. Thank you, Siswendawo.
Yes.
So, what can we do? Do you have hope that we'll go to the next round?
Of course, we have hope that we go on the next round, but akumelanga sicule benyapi ngachimanga benyapi abafana bethu they just need to gym and they just need to tackle the whole team bafunde iground elisha and then yeah, in one way or the other we're gonna win. Sasithemba thina njengomzansi overall.
Siyabonga Siswendawo. This is We Talk Football SA. Thank you.